What's happening, guys? Okay, so I'm here at a family gathering and it's fantastic. The whole family is here. We're all gonna have a lovely dinner together. And as usual, I bring my own food to the family gatherings, right? Because I'm eating pretty much fruit. So today I felt, because we've got everyone here and it's, you know, it's the traditional Italian thing. I'm half Italian, so I wanted to be as Italian as possible, so I wanted to fit in. So Zoodles is the default go-to type of meal whenever I'm trying to blend in, right? So I want to share with you guys what I did today, and this Zoodle sauce and Zoodle meal. So Zoodles are zucchini, it's just raw zucchini, spiralized, right? For people who don't know, I'm sure everyone knows by now. So that is the base, that's what the pasta is, and then you add a sauce on top of that. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to make a very thick red tomato style sauce, all right? Almost like a marinara, like a raw marinara. So I'm gonna share with you what I did for today. Really excited to eat it. So I'm gonna flip this camera around so I can show you. The reason I'm in my room is because there's so much hustle and bustle downstairs that I wouldn't be able to shoot this properly. Kids running around and everything. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you what this sauce looks like, okay? Okay, so here we go. Here are the Zoodles, right? So this is the raw Zoodles. So this is about 4 big zucchinis, just spiralized. And this over here is the secret sauce. And I will tell you what this is made of in just a second. Okay, let's take a look here. Oh yeah, look at that. Thick, red, creamy sauce. Isn't that beautiful? So, what's in this sauce? All right, so what is in this sauce? Let me put this down. The secret here is, and I'm sorry, I had to do this ahead of time. I was rushing, so I didn't get a chance to shoot. But this is shepherd peppers, okay? So you're gonna take about 2 to 3 red shepherd peppers, and you're gonna throw them into the Vitamix, okay? You're also going to take a big handful of sun-dried tomatoes. Now, again, I always say you want to find sun-dried tomatoes that don't have oil or salt added. If you can't, then at least go for the ones that have no oil added. Go for the ones that you find in bulk, either a Whole Foods or a natural grocery store. And if you have to, then ditch the oil. At least go for the sun-dried tomatoes with only salt added. But I found sun-dried tomatoes with nothing added, just sun-dried tomatoes, okay? So we've got shepherd peppers, we've got sun-dried tomatoes, and we're not gonna add regular tomatoes because that would make the sauce a bit too watery, all right? We're also not gonna add any lemon or lime or additional water. And that is your base, right? Your base is sun-dried tomatoes, soaked, all right? Soaked sun-dried tomatoes, and a whole bunch of shepherd peppers. And without any of the additional fluid of lemon or lime or whatnot, you get the kind of thicker texture, right? Now, that's the base. You can, if you want, add garlic, you can add onion to it and make it as tangy as you want. Oh, sorry, I lied. Habanero. There's some habanero pepper in here to give it a little bit of spice, okay? So beautiful raw pasta. The whole thing is fruit. It's all fruit. It's amazing. Actually, you know what? Let me turn this around. Okay, so that's the base. So I'll mix it around and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all prepared. I also have some pistachios here, and I might throw that in the mix as well, just for the hell of it. And this is a novelty. This is a serious novelty because I can tell you the last time I had pistachios was earlier this year when I was visiting Calgary. So there were a couple meals that I wanted to present and I used nuts for a couple of them. And so we had a bunch of extras and so I had some nuts. So this is, we're in October. This is the second time this year that I've had nuts, or that I will have nuts. So it'll be some pistachios that I'll add to this pasta. So just to give you, you know, I like doing this because I like to show you guys what I do when I'm not just eating fruit, right? Because anytime where I'm not doing something like this, I'm just eating fruit. So there's nothing special to show you. But when I'm doing something different, I think I should start to show you what that looks like. And just so you know, right? Just so you know what cheat days look like for me. So far this year, that is twice 2 days where I've had nuts, okay? So just to give you an idea of how infrequently I add nuts to my diet, all right? So that's it. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. Once we're all done, I'll show some pictures. And yeah, give this a try. Give this a shot in your own time. I really hope you enjoy it. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one, okay? Love you very much. Mwah. Take care.